Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start immediately. Confirm the Ethernet or power cables, then power cycle the modem and router. Wait 60 to 90 seconds before restarting. Next, disable airplane mode, turn Wi-Fi off and turn off any VPN or proxy so they're not interfering. Run Windows Network Troubleshooter and read the error it returns. That code steers the next moves. Keep notes of changes. They speed targeted fixes once you move to deeper diagnostics. Now perform specific diagnostics. Open command prompt as admin and run ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, then ipconfig/flushtons to reset addressing and name resolution. Next, open Device Manager, check the network adapter, update or uninstall and reinstall the driver if it's flagged. If problems persist, temporarily disable Windows Firewall or third-party antivirus to rule out blocking. Make sure to re-enable them after testing. Once done, test both wired and wireless connections to compare results and guide the final steps. Finish by applying the targeted fixes. Use network reset in settings to recreate adapters and restore defaults, then reboot. If websites still don't resolve, change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8. 8 in adapter properties to bypass ISP DNS issues. Test with ping and tracert to a reliable host. If it still fails, save ipconfig/all, ping and tracert outputs. This log is essential for ISP or support. Key tip: if nothing works, try another device on the same network to isolate PC versus network problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.